kids! Welcome back to Xoratale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter S. Are you ready? Let's go! S for sun. Sun. S for star. Star. S for sky. Sky. S for snow. Snow. Let's repeat it again. S for sun. S for star. S for sky. S for snow. S for snake. Snake. S for snail. Snail. S for swan. Swan. S for spider. Spider. Let's repeat it again. S for snake. S for snail. S for swan. S for spider. S for sock. Sock. S for shirt. Shirt. S for shoe. Shoe. S for skirt. Skirt. Let's repeat it again. S for sock. S for shirt. S for shoe. S for skirt. S for sandwich. Sandwich. S for soup. Soup. S for strawberry. Strawberry. S for salad. Salad. Let's repeat it again. S for sandwich. S for soup. S for strawberry. S for salad. S for school. School. S for ship. Ship. S for swing. Swing. S for slide. Slide. Let's repeat it again. S for school. S for ship. S for swing. S for slide. You've learned the letter S today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this bright thing in the sky? Yes, S for sun. What do we wear on our feet? That's right, S for shoe. What do we eat for breakfast sometimes? Yummy, S for sandwich. What swims and has a shell? Yes, S for snail. Where do we go to study? Exactly, S for school. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter, letter T.